so for today's video, we're going to talk about matrices. What is matrix? A matrix is a collection of numbers arranged into fixed numbers of rows and columns. Usually, the numbers are real numbers. In general, matrices can contain complex number, but we won't see this here. Here is an example of matrix with 3 rows and 3 columns. In row 1, we have 1, -2, and 3. And in column 1, we have 1, 0, and 4. In row 2, we have 0, 8, and 4.6. In row 3, we have 4, -1, and 0. In column 2, we have -2, 8, and -1. In column 3, we have 3, 4.6, and 0. The top row is row 1. The leftmost column is column 1. This matrix is a 3 by 3 matrix because it has 3 rows and 3 columns. In describing matrices, the format is row times columns. Each number that makes up a matrix is called an element of the matrix. The elements in a matrix have specific locations. The upper left corner of the matrix is row 1, column 1. How to add and subtract matrices. Two matrices may be added or subtracted only if they have the same dimension. That is, they must have the same number of rows and columns. Addition and subtraction is accomplished by adding or subtracting corresponding elements. For example, consider the matrix A and matrix B. In matrix A, we have 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. In matrix B, we have 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5. Both matrices have the same numbers of rows and columns, 2 rows and 3 columns, so they can be added or subtracted. Thus, we need to add the matrix A to the matrix B. So, 1 plus 5, 2 plus 6, and 3 plus 7, 7 plus 3, 8 plus 4, and 9 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. 3 plus 7 is 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. 8 plus 4 is 12. And 9 plus 5 is 14. So, matrix A plus matrix B is equals to 6, 8, 10, 10, 12, 14. And now we have to subtract the matrix A to the matrix B. 1 minus 5, 2 minus 6, 3 minus 7, 7 minus 3, 8 minus 4, and 9 minus 5. So 1 minus 5 is equals to -4, 2 minus 6 is -4, 3 minus 7 is -4, 7 minus 3 is 4, 8 minus 4 is 4, and 9 minus 5 is 4. So matrix A minus matrix B, the answer is -4, -4, -4, and 4, 4, 4. Then let's proceed in multiplying a matrix by a number. How to multiply a matrix by a number? When you multiply a matrix by a number, you multiply every element in the matrix by the same number. This operation produces a new matrix, which is called a scalar multiplication. For example, if x is 5 and the matrix A is 100, 200, 300, and 400, then x times A is equals to 5A, and 5A is equals to 5 times 100, 200, 300, and 400. So 5 times 100 is equals to 500. 5 times 200 is equals to 1000. 5 times 300 is equals to 1500. 5 times 400 is equals to 2000. In the example above, every element of A is multiplied by 5 to produce the scalar multiplication B.